I think that will be all for today because it is getting quite late. I came out a bit later here, and as you see, Rocco over here, the poor dog is already shaking because it is getting colder and I don't have any jacket or anything to put on him, so I can't freeze him up here. As you see, he's shaking very much and he's also tired. He is too small to be out here for such a long time. As you saw, I almost finished putting in the spruce boughs because that is the most important thing, what gives it the shape and what makes it float and what makes it function like a real boat. So I think that will be end of part 1. There will be part 2 of this video where I'll be making a pedal. So if the video is already out, I will put the card here and you can go watch it. I'll be making 2 types of pedals. One will be a really simple one and one will be a bit more difficult one. And the third part of the video will be me actually using this canoe or boat or whatever you can call it, and hoping that I won't sink. Because as a real captain, I will go down with my boat until the end. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you are not already subscribed, and click that bell icon next to it to get notified about more awesome videos with me, Rocco and Max. So, as you see, he's so cold that he put his nose in the middle of my elbow. So, the poor guy. I feel bad now to taking him out here. Now I got this idea of making a boat with a tarp. Actually, when I was in my bed trying to sleep, you know, that's when all of the best ideas come to you. And I was thinking that I have a waterproof durable tarp. What can I make? I can make a boat. Then I did some research online. I contacted the tarp manufacturer, which is AquaQuest. This is the AquaQuest Defender tarp. It is very durable. They said it would, of course, handle it. They said that no one has done it before. And when I searched on the internet, there was not much info about making a boat using your tarp. There were a few designs, and best of which was this design, which I saw on Billy Ro's channel. I think I pronounced that right. If not, then sorry, Billy. I will give you the link down in the description. He has a great channel. He made a great video, a few videos about making this kind of bow. Of course, I did a few things a little bit different on this boat or canoe or whatever you want to call it, so that it is kind of made a little bit my way. So that you guys don't think I stole the idea from someone, I give him the credits. But the idea of making a tarp from canoe was really genuinely mine, but this design is Billy's. So make sure to check him out. So thank you very much for watching, and see you guys in the next one. Let's go home, you poor dog.